Hi, welcome to our walkthrough for recording expense refunds in Crunch. During this session, we're going to look at two different things. The first one being creating a full refund and the second creating a partial refund. So let's get stuck in. Head over to expenses, as you can see here on the left, and then you want to find the expense you're creating the refund for and use this pencil icon. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to the bottom of the expense and click Add a Credit Note / Refund, and this little sidebar will pop out on the right. Now, the first thing to check is just the date of credit. This is typically when the expense was created. The next thing you want to check is the line items. So this will be the description, the item amount, the amount that you're crediting, alongside a reason for the credit. And then lastly is just the refund method. So the date it was paid back to you and the account it went back into. So when you're done, it should look like this. Now, as you can see, the date of credit has stayed the same. So that was when the expense was created. The line items have updated so that now we have the full amount to credit matching the item amount, as well as a description. And then lastly, I've just changed the date on this to reflect when the money was actually paid back in to my business account, alongside the specific account and the full amount as well. If you're happy with all of that, you can then go ahead and press Add to Expense. And that's it. So you've now got that refund attached, as we can see here. And then go ahead and press Save. We can see that we fully credit noted this one. It's the full amount credited and it's all settled. So with the partial refund, we're going to go ahead with an item we got from Amazon. So we're going to do a partial amount against this amount shown here. So same as before, click the pencil icon. It'll bring out the sidebar again, and exactly the same as before, more or less. So the date of the credit, the items credited, except this time, as we can see, the amount to credit is actually different to the item amount. So this is reflecting that a partial amount has been credited against the expense. And I've also put a delivery problem as the issue. And then we'll also see in the refunded section, the date has reflected when the refund was received, but also that it's only a partial amount as well. So we can go ahead and click Add Expense. And like before, we've now got a description of that partial refund. So you can go ahead and press Save. That also now shows on this dashboard here, but this time it's only showing $19.99 against $749.99. And that's it. So you've now done a full refund and a partial refund in Crunch.